I want to get to a date night that's causing a firestorm on social media. A local couple took to Twitter to complain, saying the Regal Theater in Silver Spring had a huge amount of security for a showing of the new movie, The Butler. The couple says the audience was primarily African American. Roz Plater spoke with that couple, and she's live in Silver Spring with their story. Roz.
Kenneth, tonight that theater chain is standing its ground. More on that in just a moment. First, though, the couple says what was so bizarre was that an armed officer, was actually in the auditorium as they watched that movie. So they took to Twitter to express their outrage. Date night for the Silver Spring couple, the Regal Theater, the Saturday 8 p.m. showing of The Butler. But they say it was the security that caught them off guard. Plainclothes police officers both inside and out the theater.
They had what I thought were bulletproof vests. They had sidearms. They had a badge that was sewn into their shirt. They looked serious.
I've traveled the world. I've been to a lot of movie theaters, and this is the first time I've ever seen anything like this.
The cast of the movie about a longtime White House butler is primarily African American. The couple says the audience was also mostly African American.
There were rumblings among the crowd of being profiled at the movies, and they must have thought that, you know, this was going to be a particularly rowdy crowd.
Flowers, who is a labor organizer, took her frustrations to the Twitterverse, where hundreds are weighing in. Outside the theater, some patrons told us they had heard of the extra security here.
Oh, I don't have a problem with it, really. You know, I know who I am. Just that doesn't bother me because I really wanted to see it.
This Silver Spring couple is waiting to hear from the theater chain.
I really hope that Regal Cinema understands that this treatment is deplorable and it's really disgusting. I think they owe us all an apology.
Our expectation is that they're going to do the right thing, and if not, then there are a lot of eyes on this, and you know, I believe that they're going to respond by not spending their money at a Regal movie chain.
Now here's a response we got late this afternoon from Regal. It says, quote, when a theater experiences sold-out showings of any feature, security will assist with crowd control and guest assistance throughout the facility, including the auditoriums. This is standard at this location. The spokesman went on to say no one complained last night, but that if any patron was disappointed with their experience, they would be happy to address those concerns. We are live in Silver Spring. I'm Roz Plater, ABC 7 News.
All right.